Well, hey everyone. If you're a hiker and a photographer like me, you know how important it is to have the right gear for hikers. And the best part is that you can order all of this online and you can start practicing from home. Now, first and foremost, you need a camera that's lightweight and is easy to carry on the trail. Now, I recommend a mirrorless camera for serious photographers. But for most people, a high-quality smartphone is more than enough to get amazing shots. Your phone's camera is packed with features like portrait mode and HDR, burst mode to help you capture sharp, vibrant photos. Now, a lightweight tripod is just a must for any hiking photographer. It helps to stabilize your shots, especially for those longer exposures when you want to capture a beautiful sunrise or sunset. I recommend something small and portable that's easy to fit in your backpack. If you want to take landscape photography to the next level, an ND filter is a game changer. These are neutral density filters and they help reduce the amount of light entering into the lens. It allows you to use slower shutter speeds and capture motion in your photos, like flowing water or wind through the trees. It's a must for those dreamy landscape shots. Now, no one wants dirty lenses, especially when you're on the trail. So a lens cleaning kit is essential to keep your gear in top condition. Now, I keep a microfiber cloth, lens wipes, and a blower in my backpack. So I'm always ready to clean my camera before taking that perfect shot. And then lastly, always carry extra batteries and memory cards with you. You don't want to run out of power or storage in the middle of the hike. So I keep a small storage container in my camera bag so I'm prepared for whatever photo opportunity arises. So what do you take with you on your hikes to capture that amazing scene? Share your ideas in the comments below. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.